Hey guys, so welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 as well, of course, with the Galaxy AI. So this is on Boost Mobile's website, guys, so let's get into it. It does look like they do have some offers. So it says unfold the possibilities up to $1,100 off. Limited time offer ends the 24th. So you got, probably like less than 10 days, depending on when I upload this video to get this deal. So let's get into it, guys. It says free delivery, setup, and activation. So it's pretty cool. Infinity access for Galaxy. So of course, Boost Mobile does have this, or Boost Infinite has this program where they do have free iPhones. Basically, every year you can upgrade. They also have this with the Galaxy. So it says infinite access for Galaxy. $1,100 off Samsung Galaxy Z series. No trade-in required. Wow. Unlimited talk, text, and data starting at $65 a month. So of course, this is a $60 a month plan, $65 a month plan. But like I said, they definitely get their money. Trust me, guys. It's all marketing, but either way, it's still a good deal. New phone on us today. Latest Galaxy S or Z series device every year. So this is what their program is with the infinite access for Galaxy. Is you get the latest Galaxy S or Z series every year. Zero down, no trade required. Global talk and text included. Store to door setup and activation. Wow. So of course here it is, guys. The main ones we're going to look at is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Z Fold 7. Of course they do have this new thing that I reported on, which is store to door free setup and activation, where someone from Boost Mobile will come to your house and help you set up the device, which is pretty cool. Of course, there's 4 steps. Step 1 is purchase infinite access for Galaxy. Pick your Galaxy, pay for the sales tax, and check out. No training needed to get it started. Step 2, store to door setup and activation included. So of course, within the 2-hour window, they can come to your house and help you set it up. Enjoy unlimited wireless. It says get unlimited talk, text, data with reliable nationwide coverage anywhere you go. And 4, get the latest Galaxy every year, guys. Not bad at all. So it just tells you basically every 12 months you can upgrade. Here are some of the benefits to this program. What is infinite access to Galaxy? Of course, latest Galaxy S or Z series every year. No training required. Galaxy S or Z series included today. Unlimited talk, text, and data. Global talk and text. North America Connect. And 30 gigs of premium data. So guys, with this plan, it only gives you 30 gigs of premium data, which is, I think, they're $25 or $30 plan. And of course, the rest of it really is the phone financing. But you get all that bundled up for $65. So 30 gigs of data is still not bad. But what's cool is every year you do get to upgrade to the new Galaxy or the new Z Fold, of course. You get $1,100 off. You can get the Galaxy Z Flip 7 for $0 a month, which, remember, $65 included. Or you can get $1,100 the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which of course is $25 a month. So $25 plus that $65, guys, is what you'll be paying extra. Let's just look at this. Really nice phone, of course. You can keep your number. You can also set up where they do the worry-free activation set up by experts. They come to your house. So the 256 gigabytes starts at $25 a month. If you want the 512, it's $28.33. So personally, for an extra $30, I'd probably go for the 512. Special deal, like I said, we can get this phone. If you're on the Galaxy infinite access for Galaxy, it's only $28.33 a month. Remember that you have to have that $65 plan, or you can do 3-year financing for $58.89, or you can pay up front and it's $21.19. Now remember, that's for the 512. If we do the most common one, which is the 256, you can put insurance on it as well if you want. But the phone is $25 a month if you do the special deal, or $55.56 a month for 36-month financing or $2,000. And of course, it is expected to ship by July 22nd, guys. So not bad at all. This is what everybody's really looking at. Of course, the Flip, if that one would be free. So it'd just be that $65 plan. But I have seen this in person, guys. It is very thin. Some details: 8-inch screen, 200 megapixel, 46 hours of live Android 16. Remember, this does have a 200 megapixel camera, so it's really crazy good. They do come in different colors. A really good camera, like I said. Of course, 100 times zoom. It does have AI where you can edit people out, so it's pretty good. Of course, it has a really strong processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite Galaxy processor for multitasking, smooth multitasking, I say, across apps. Stream your favorite shows and play more. Of course, it does have a 4,400 milliamp battery, and it does charge really fast, guys. So pretty cool, I would say there. Of course, like I said, you can get the Z Fold or the Flip. This phone is, when it opens, it is 8 inches, which is real big. It's pretty cool. Of course, the main is 6.9. The cover is 4.1, and then the cover is 6.5 here. 200 megapixels in the rear, I believe 50 in the front. It is very thin. I like how they even use this design. Unfolded, it's 4.2 millimeters. Folded is 8.9. Still, guys, it's thin. Oh, and sorry, yeah, they're comparing the. Now I see they're comparing the Fold and the Flip. So the Fold, like I said, the main screen is 8, covered up at 6.5. The Flip opens up to 6.9 and 4.1 covered. 50 megapixels for the Flip, 200 on the Fold. Of course, the Fold is thinner than the Flip, which is pretty cool, and they do multitasking, of course. So you can do everything on it with the wallet. You can transfer all your information with the Samsung Smart Switch. Of course, you can try new AI features, which is great. And here are the specs of the Fold. Like I said, it does have a Super HD screen, guys. Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display, 4,400 milliamp. Does support 25 watt super fast charging, Snapdragon 8 Elite, Android 16. It is weighted at 7.58 ounces, which is really good. 200 megapixel camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto lens, 10 megapixel selfie, 12 gigabytes of RAM. They do come in either 256 or 512, 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi 7, guys. Wow. USB 3.2, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, of course, the Galaxy AI. So overall, that's a really good deal. If you want to save $1,100 on this phone, you can do it with Boost Mobile. And of course, you do get that plan where it gives you unlimited talk, text, and data with 30 gigs of premium data if you do that Galaxy Infinity program. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Let me know in the description below. Would you get this deal? Is this something that excites you? Yeah, let me know. Check out the description below if you want to support the channel. There's ways to do that in there. So thank you.